Early solar heating.
Solar technology began with a simple goal: capturing the sun's warmth. In the late 19th and early 20th centuries, inventors created solar water heaters to provide hot water using sunlight. These early devices used black-painted tanks or panels to absorb solar energy and were especially popular in sunny regions before widespread electricity and gas. This practical approach marked the first mainstream use of solar power.
Advances and setbacks.
Throughout the early 1900s, solar heating evolved. Improved designs, like glass-enclosed panels and storage tanks, made solar water systems more efficient and appealing for homes and businesses. However, the growing availability of cheap fossil fuels led to a decline in their popularity, and many early advancements in solar heating were overshadowed until new energy challenges sparked renewed interest.
The birth of solar cells.
A new chapter began in 1954 with the creation of the silicon solar cell. Scientists at Bell Labs invented the first practical photovoltaic cell, capable of converting sunlight directly into electricity. Originally used for powering satellites and remote equipment, these solar cells marked a major leap beyond traditional heating applications, laying the groundwork for modern solar power.
Expanding solar applications.
As research progressed, solar technology diversified rapidly. Photovoltaics became more efficient and affordable, opening up new uses for solar energy in homes, businesses, and industry. Meanwhile, solar heating systems also improved, offering greener alternatives for space and water heating. This period saw the emergence of large-scale solar farms and rooftop installations worldwide.
Solar today and beyond.
Solar technology now plays a vital role in clean energy. Solar panels generate electricity for millions, while solar heating systems remain practical for homes and pools. Ongoing advances in materials, efficiency, and storage continue to expand solar energy's potential. From water heating to solar cells, the transformation of solar technology is shaping a more sustainable, sun-powered future.